Welcome to Max Effect. This video introduces a predictable, scalable instructional architecture designed for educators who are ready to build something that lasts. Max Effect is an instructional architecture system, a repeatable, structured blueprint for designing units, quarters, and full school years with consistency and purpose. It is not just a single lesson strategy. It is a complete design system for instruction, where predictability and structure creates freedom in teaching. This system benefits curriculum designers building coherent structures, instructional coaches supporting teacher teams, and educators who want to move beyond isolated lessons toward a scalable system that grows with their learners. The core promise of Max Effect is predictable structure and scalable design. It replaces guesswork with a clear blueprint, turns differentiation into a built-in feature, and ensures instruction scales seamlessly across a 36-week school year. At the micro level, we use the FRUPS framework. This 5-phase sequence, frame, retrieve, understand, practice, and synthesize, makes every lesson consistent, providing a reliable shape for your instruction while allowing for diverse content. The meso layer features the hiking paths framework. This learner journey model builds differentiation into the process from the start. By using base camp, trails, and summits, we ensure every learner has the right entry point to move forward. Finally, the macro layer is the 36-week architecture. This provides a predictable rhythm across 4 9-week quarters, ensuring that educators and teams maintain a consistent, scalable pace throughout the entire school year. Max Effect is an integrated fractal ecosystem. FRUPS drives the daily engine, which powers the differentiated unit journeys of hiking paths, all of which populate the 36-week master calendar. Are you ready to build something that lasts? Whether you are a solo teacher, a coach, or part of a curriculum team, this system was built for you. Explore the system today. Max Effect is brought to you by the Future Ready Teachers Cooperative, because great teaching shouldn't be guesswork. Reach out to learn more.